In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image anywhere in Word. By the end, you'll be able to place a picture exactly where you want it on the page. Make text wrap cleanly around it, and keep it from jumping out of place as you edit. Start by opening your document and clicking where you want the picture to appear. Go to the Insert tab, choose Pictures, then pick the source that fits your file. Select your image and confirm. Word will drop it into your document, usually as inline with text, which treats the picture like a big character. That's fine for simple documents, but it won't let you freely move the image. To place it anywhere, change its layout. Click the image once to select it, then open Layout Options, the small icon that appears near the picture, or right-click the image and choose Wrap Text. Switch from inline with text to a wrapping style such as square or tight. Square gives you a clean margin around the image, while tight hugs the image's outline more closely. If you want the picture behind your text for a watermark style effect, choose Behind Text. If you need the image on top of everything, use In Front of Text. Once a wrap style is set, you can drag the image freely. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions. Avoid side handles to prevent stretching. If you need a very specific placement, choose. See More at the bottom of Layout Options, or select More Layout Options. There, you can set the exact horizontal and vertical position relative to the page, margins, or column, and adjust the distance between the image and surrounding text to create consistent padding. If your image overlaps with other objects, use Bring Forward or Send Backward on the Picture Format tab to layer it correctly. For neat layouts, use Align to line the image up with the page margins or center it precisely. If the image seems to move as you type, open Layout Options and choose Fix Position on Page to lock it. Or Move with Text if you want it to stay attached to a specific paragraph. When everything looks right, give the image an informative alt text in the graphics settings for accessibility. Then save your document. That's it. Insert, change the wrap style, place, fine-tune, and lock it in. With these options, you can put any image exactly where you want it in Word and keep your layout looking polished.